During the pandemic, we saw the crisis caused by a shortage of hospital beds. That crisis still happens in many hospitals today. But a local hospital is expanding to hopefully help prevent a bed shortage from happening again. Our Chris Knowles is joining us live in Amory, where one hospital cut the ribbon on a new care unit.
Good evening, Craig, Emily. Right now I'm standing here just outside of the North Mississippi Medical Center Gilmore-Amory. Now, construction was recently completed on an expanded intensive care unit, ICU, as many of you may know it. This was done to combat a national shortage. The hospital added 6 new beds in the ICU. The ICU only had 9 at first. Now they're sitting at 15 beds. Hospital administrators say this helps patients stay close to home in their time of need.
Back in the pandemic, we realized that there was a shortage of critical care beds in the state, and particularly in this region. And we had a vision to expand that capacity here at Gilmore, and really excited about today we actually be able to take care of patients, and those families can stay close to home and see their loved ones in the hospital.
Of course, everybody wants care close to home, and that's really what this is about, keeping the patients first and foremost in the front of our mind. And the specialist here, as Jamie pointed out, every one of these televisions will be able to remotely link to a specialist via a telehealth system if there's some additional support needed that's not available here in Amory.
The expansion also adds a second negative pressure room to the unit. The pressure room uses special filters and venting to limit the spread of airborne diseases such as COVID-19, measles, and TB. The $3 million project added 3,500 square feet to the facility. It took 5 months for this project to be completed. Folks here say they're very happy that they now have this expansion. I'm Chris Knowles, live in Amory for WTVA 9 News.